Hey there, friends. Here's what's moving today. The market's overall mood is feeling pretty neutral. Bond yields dipped a bit, which helped push most stocks higher, though chip companies had a bit of a quiet day. Oil markets warn of empty supplies as a vital shipping route closes, sparking inflation fears. China's record low growth adds to global market uncertainty today. PayPal was up about 17% today after reports of an acquisition offer from Stripe and Advent International. Today, communication services was the strongest sector, climbing nearly 3%. Utilities, meanwhile, were the weakest, down just over 1%. This reflects investors shifting away from safer utilities into growth-oriented communication services, indicating a greater appetite for risk. Most of the big 7 tech companies were up. Apple led, gaining almost 4% and reaching 52-week highs. Producer prices fell 0.3%, and the energy fund was also down. The semiconductor fund was the day's biggest mover, down over 2%. Well, that slump pressured tech names. PayPal was up almost 17% today. What a move for PayPal. Yeah. Intel fell about 4.5%, with money moving into selective tech names. This week, we're watching earnings from big names like Alphabet and Tesla. Also, AbbVie and Abbott Laboratories are going ex-dividend. The 10-year Treasury yield was 4.54%, down 4 basis points. The investment-grade corporate bond fund gained about 1/3%. Bond prices rose as lower rate expectations pushed yields down. The US dollar index eased slightly today, though the New Zealand dollar strengthened about 2% against it. Asian currencies, led by the Korean won, continued to weaken on persistent growth concerns, despite the dollar's slight ease. Asian markets were mostly higher overnight, though European markets were mostly lower. A big move came from Korea, where the Kospi index rose about 6%. Oil rose about 1% today. Cocoa wheat jumped about 7%, with concerns over Black Sea tensions pushing wheat higher and adding a risk to energy prices. Bitcoin slightly down near $65,000, while Coinbase gained about 3.5%. Spot ETFs provide a floor, with capital shifting to Ethereum. Stocks are finding support. Prices are cooling, meaning the Fed might not be as tough. This month's watch list includes 3 names, averaging just over 1% up since entry. That's all for today. Tomorrow's update is already on its way.